for a while. Stallings 1-2 pitch, a little swing and a pop-up. Shallow center, long run. Cameron can't get to it. Has to grab it on a hop. And Chaparro just flips a little weak fly ball into shallow center field during that series. Only one of them made up. High fly ball by Chaparro, way back to left center field. That one up into the picnic area, and it is gone. 17th of the year for the slugging Chaparro, a 2-run blast. As the Rail Riders have opened a 6-0 advantage here in the second inning. They're in action once again tonight as they face Akron. This pitch is a liner into the alley in left center field. That one hops the fence. Heading for second base, Chaparro. After a 2-run home run in the second inning, a single prior to that, Chaparro now 3 for 3 as he has doubled here in the fourth.